You're watching the Weiss channel. Today we're talking about percents. Okay. For example, here's a problem. It says 12% of a number is 30. Find 4% of that number. So to change 12% to a decimal, 12% is the same as 0.12 because you move the decimal point 2 places. Whenever you see the word of in math, just put times. Of always means times. So 0.12 times, and whenever you see the word number or a number, I replace it with n. I don't use x in these problems because I don't want to confuse it with the times sign. So 0.12 times n is always means equals. Whenever you see is, put equals 30. Okay, so now that we have 0.12 times n equals 30, that's the same as 0.12n equals 30. Divide by 0.12 and you get 250. All right, so the rest of the problem said find 4% of that number. That number was 250. So 0.04, right? 4% is 0.04. Of is times that number, 250. Do 0.04 times 250 and you get 10. There you go. 36% of a number is 42. 0.36 times n equals 42. 0.36 n equals 42. Divide by 0.36. 42 divided by 0.36 is 116.666666. Okay, so I'm going to leave that number on my calculator. Just leave it on the calculator. Don't clear. Okay, so to find 6% of that number, we're going to do 0.06 times the 116.66666. So we're just going to take what's on the calculator and do times 0.06, and that'll give you 7. 60% of a number is 8. 0.60 times n equals 8. Divide by 0.60. 8 divided by 0.60 is 13.33333333. Okay. I'm going to leave that number on my calculator and find 30% of that number. So I'm going to do 0.30 times 13.33333. So I leave the 13.33333 on my calculator and hit times 0.30 and I get 4. 11% of a number equals 12. 0.11 times n equals 12. Divide by 0.11. You get 109.090909090909. Okay. Find 66% of that number. So take the 1.09090909 and multiply by 0.66. 72. You've been watching the Weiss channel.